what I just got in the mail. Yay! It is the new Bouncecurl alcohol-free hairspray. It is a medium to stronghold. It is free of parabens, sulfates, and silicones. They are completely cruelty-free and vegan. And if you try and shop for either, you know that it's not always easy to find those products. So I'm always really, really excited. Plus, they're so quality made. You can tell they are made with love and care and so much thought put into them. So I'm really, really excited to try this out. I use hairsprays pretty sparingly, but when you need them, right? So what I decided to do today is I'm just gonna do my Bouncecurl routine. I am going to use the clarifying shampoo, the cream conditioner, the Bouncecurl gel, and I'm gonna finish up with the hairspray. So you are going to see my full Bouncecurl routine, and I'm so excited to share it with you. Really quick before we get started, if you are not already subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go slam that subscribe button, hit that bell while you're at it so that you do not miss a thing. And if you're new here, welcome. I'm Jannelle, and like all things curly and then some. And I'm really glad to have you. All right, let's go to the shower. Are you ready? I'm ready. Let's take this hair down. See what we're working with. Stretched out, ready for some moisture. Let's get to this. All right, let's start with the Bouncecurl clarifying shampoo. One of the things I love about this packaging is that it comes with the nozzle so you can go directly in at your scalp. I do that a lot of the time, but I just want to show you how little of this product you need to get a really good foam, even in hard water. So I'm going to start with that, and then let's explore. So that's where we're starting. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go back into the water just a bit. Really, fingers in, fingers in. Massage it in really good. I can feel the product all over my scalp, but it's still fighting the hard water. So the wonderful thing about this shampoo is that you just add a little bit more water and it will foam like crazy. And already, there we go. So foamy. Another thing I love about this shampoo, my fingers are gliding through my tangles. It's so gentle. There's my fallout. Now I'm just going to rinse as usual. Next up, we're going to use the Bouncecurl cream conditioner. Love this conditioner. I'm almost gone. Not only can you use it as a regular daily conditioner, but it also doubles as a deep conditioner. Wow. So you just want to make sure that you're raking it through. Not only will this get any tangles that are still in, but then it completely distributes the product. You want to make sure all of your strands are coated. Now you know I like my final wipe of bringing everything back together, then twist it, and then we're going to allow it to sit on for about 5 to 10 minutes. So while we wait for the cream conditioner, I'm going to go ahead and use my Skin to See Bamboo Scrub. It's micro silver. Almost out, using very sparingly. Rub this on. Your skin has been loving this scrub, especially my nose. Time to rinse. you have fine hair, you should try not raking through your hair at any point moving forward on your wash day. What I have found is that it really breaks up curl clumps. So just smooth everything over, including your water. Watch. So you do see me lightly going in at my root. I'm just going in and out, got water mat, in and out, but I am not raking all the way down. I'm just simply lifting my hair away from my scalp so that the product comes fully out of my hair. So as most of you know, I prefer to apply my leave-ins in the shower, and today I am pairing with Curl, the Blueberry Bliss Restorative Leave-In. This is one of my all-time favorite leave-ins, but definitely one of my favorite leave-ins to pair with the Bouncecurl gel. So don't need a big amount, quarter size maybe. Just going to move this over the canopy. Now I'm going to whip my hair back and forth each direction just to lightly disperse the product. Give it a little shake. Give it a little shake. Still, if anywhere needs a little bit more water, you go right there a little bit. All right, and we're done. So before leaving the shower, I like to flip my hair over, scrunch out excess moisture, and go in at the root to help start with volume. Okay, now I'm gonna flip back over and run my fingers at the root, just slightly, lifting my hair away from my scalp. This is excellent for volume. Just go in and lift, in and lift, in and lift. All right, and this is typically where I let my part fall, wherever it wants, and we're done. I'm going to let my hair air dry until about 50% of the way, and then I'm going to check back in with you, and we're going to apply the Bouncecurl gel. All right, checking back in. I'm about 50% of the way dry. Now I'm going to add the Bouncecurl Light Cream Gel. I'm gonna do a decent amount just because this is gonna be my only styler. Multiply, flip, smooth. I'm going to take a little bit more gel. I'm gonna rub this on my fingertips. I'm going to flip my hair over and I'm gonna lightly go in at the root, pushing my hair away from the scalp. And this is really good for volume. So that is it. I'm going to air dry for just a few more minutes and then I'm going to diffuse. I'm gonna do that off camera. Once I'm done, I will check back in with you. See you in a bit. And I'm back with a full face and completely dry hair. So I diffused, I put in root clips once my hair was 100% dry to allow it to set. I just pulled the root clips out and now I'm going to fluff with you on camera. And I just wanted to mention that the Skin to See face cream doubles as a facial primer for your makeup. And I love it. All right, let's get to fluffing. I'm just gonna use my fingertips today. So I'm just going in at the root and shaking. Well, actually, got a little bit of cast, so I'm gonna use my Righteous Roots oil to scrunch out the crunch. Just a couple drops on my fingertips. So now that we have scrunched out the crunch and fluffed our hair, I'm going to try the Bouncecurl hairspray. So Miss Mo, the founder of Bouncecurl, when I saw her tutorial on this, she did advise to keep it far away from your hair and only do a couple sprays because it is a fairly strong hold. So I'm going to listen to that advice. But the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to spray a few sprays on my fingertips and then go in at my root. For volume, and then we'll finish everything off. This is literally the first sprays. I have not opened it, I have not smelled it, I have not anything, so you're seeing it live in action. So let's start here, get that pressure going. Okay, so I did 3 sprays. Okay, so we went at our root. Now I'm going to go 1, 2, and 3. Hopefully I can do this. 1, oh, I did that. 2, ooh, it's got like a really good sprayer. Woo! 3. Gonna scrunch a teeny bit. Okay, I just have to do this one more time so that you can get a feel for it, and I can't believe I'm wasting this. Watch the sprayer. That's a long spray. She was really thoughtful knowing that you needed to be able to get it done in 3 sprays. And mind you, she has hair down to here, and there's 1,000% that you'd be able to make that. So that's a really good sprayer. I'm really excited about that. Normally they're like the little psst. That's embarrassing. But you know what I'm talking about. But yay, Bouncecurl hairspray for the win. Yeah. Such a thoughtful product. So excited to have it and excited to continue using it. So that is it for my Bouncecurl routine. What do you think? Let me know below. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope to see you back soon. If you haven't already, go slam that subscribe button. Hit that bell while you're at it. I don't want you to miss a thing. And I'll see you next time. Bye.